Hi, welcome to the channel. My name is Keith. If you remember from last time, we were working on a Tascam 122 cassette deck, and we had repaired or we had come across a broken end of tape sensor, and I was going to repair it, and I did, and I'm happy to say that the repair is holding and it still works. But after I put the tape drive system back into the deck, and I discovered that the left channel was not working. So that's where we are right now. The left channel had a problem, and the left playback channel, more precisely, which is coming off that side of the head. There are three cables. There's the left playback, the right playback, and the erase head cable. I did continuity checks between the head and the cable, and I found, in fact, that this white conductor on the white cable has a break in it someplace. I thought I had found it, and I repaired the. I thought I found up near the connector, and I repaired it, but it didn't. It didn't fix the problem. So I'm really forced. The proper thing to do would be to replace the entire cable, the left channel, and since I couldn't find the exact same cable, I'm going to end up having to replace both the left and the right in order to ensure that both cables have the same electrical properties. I had a hard time finding the cable. This cable is only 2.5 millimeters in diameter, and all three of these cables, the right, left, and the erase head, have to fit in this little slot right there, this little hole, and I couldn't really use a cable much bigger than the 2.5 millimeter. I did find a 5 millimeter diameter cable, which electrically would have been great, but physically it just wouldn't have fit in there. After much searching, well, a week of searching, I found this gray cable. This gray cable electrically has the same properties. It has two stranded conductors with a braided shield. The only downside of this cable is it only came in gray. So I will have to put some shrink tubing on the ends, white and red shrink tubing, at least on both ends, and maybe even further, maybe the whole cable. We'll see, but at least on the end, so I can tell the right channel from the left channel. And then I will replace the connector. I found these connectors on Amazon, and they are exactly like the connectors that Tascam has on the end of the cables, like this, and on the board. So that should be no problem at all. So that's the plan, to replace both cables, and then put the tape deck back in, and hopefully everything will work and we can press on with alignment. I already know that the record head works, that both channels record, so hopefully keep our fingers crossed that this is the last kind of repair job that we do, and after we get this done and put it back in, everything will just be alignment. So if this is the kind of content you like, hit the like button, hit the reminder bell, subscribe to the channel, and join me next time when hopefully we'll be able to start the alignment of this Tascam 122 3-head dual motor cassette deck. And as always, the best way to keep your vintage audio equipment working is to use it regularly. Take care, and thank you for watching.